Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to start AppLock in Oppo K10 phone. And guys, I will show you how to use AppLock setting in Oppo K10 phone. So guys, before starting video guys, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting guys. Then guys scroll it and guys you will have to click the password and security. Guys click on privacy password. So guys we will take any password. So guys now example for guys we are taking this number and guys you can see app lock. Click here and guys you can start from app lock from here. So guys which app guys you want to lock, so you can start from here. So guys you can use your app lock from here. Okay friends, so guys now let's see. So example for guys we will open our calendar. So as you can see now we have password. So I hope friends we have understood how to start AppLock in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.